morning and hello, I'm Fresco. This is the Forex Supermodel Racing Review and Forex Briefing for Monday the 30th of January 2023. We had nothing to bet on yesterday. We had a couple of races of interest to just grab these. Southall on the National Hunt, the 150, Monte Incluedo or whatever it is, number 3 I think it was. That pulled up and we said that horse would be totally unsuited by the conditions, and the other one was the 410 Shallow River, which was also we said would be unsuited by the conditions, and that also pulled up. So that was worked out quite well. The only problem was we couldn't really identify a sensible selection to beat it, so we ended up having no bet, but the modelling worked out reasonably well there. Now today we've had a good look at it. The race we were sort of thinking about was Huntingdon 1350. It's a 5-runner race, and this is a race of interest really. Huntingdon 1350. You've got a 10-year-old chaser returning to hurdles up against 4 or 5-year-olds, and the 10-year-old chaser is basically being backed off the back of its superiority at chasing, and its rating. It's a sort of rating based selection, but generally we're not that keen on it, and obviously we wouldn't bet the odds on, but the one we like is number 5, Wind to the Lighting, number 5, so but we're not going to bet it. Wind to the Lighting. It's a little bit light on ratings, but it looks like the right sort of horse to give that other one a run for its money. But we're not going to have a go. It's about 5 to 1, but that's for your information. That's of interest really. On the Forex front, we've got a busy week coming up. We've got the Fed FOMC on Wednesday. And our modelling suggests that we're going to see USD strength into the Fed. So if you're trading today, you want to have, in our opinion, you want to have a long bias on the USD, the dollar. That's the dollar's been sold off pretty drastically, and our central bank modelling suggests there's going to be a bounce in the market on the dollar, so that obviously won't do any favours to equities, gold, and commodities. So commodity currencies are likely to sell off as well. So AUD and NZD. So anyway, that's what if you're trading, have a look out for some USD strength in the next couple of days as we approach the FOMC. So that's where we are. The account is static at 73.85 units in profit. Good to see. It's the highest it's ever been, and we're going to see how we go this week on the racing. So anyway, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and goodbye.